Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super common question. Where is the PCV valve located on my engine? It's actually simpler than you might think, and finding it is the first step to checking or replacing it. So, pop your hood and let's take a look. The PCV valve, which stands for Positive Crankcase Ventilation, is usually a small, L-shaped or straight plastic or metal valve. Your best bet is to start by looking at the valve cover thatis, the big metal cover on the very top of your engine. You'll see a rubber hose coming off the valve cover. Follow that hose. One end connects to the valve cover, and the other end connects to the intake manifold. The PCV valve is typically right there, plugged into a grommet on the valve cover itself, with the hose attached to it. Just give it a gentle wiggle and pull, and it should pop right out. And that's it. Finding your PCV valve is that easy. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick car tips. Thanks for watching.